Traders, welcome back to another update of this week's trading series. It is still the 7th. It's a Wednesday, the 7th of June, and if you check the time here, it's just 36 minutes past 2, and I'm back with another update. You know, some people call me wizard when it comes to analyzing the market, but I really believe that I live up to my name, man. Afonso Analysis. If you still remember, this morning we were expecting the DXY to drop all the way to these levels here, but initially we are supposed to worry about this zone here where the market is right now. Let's just zoom in closer and see how that played out. Look at the beauty of that. So now we took the trade right at the break of this candle here, and since then the market has been dropping like it's hot. So since it is on that zone there where we are supposed to worry initially, I'm just going to move my stops, or if you are in this trade, make sure you move your stop loss to take some profits off the market. Now the reason we take some profits is because if this thing decides to come back and shoot to the upside, then we can walk away with some dignity on this trade here. So that's the story with the DXY. Is the DXY gonna still drop like it's hot until we get to this zone here? Nobody knows, but the most important thing is we've already made some money. Let's move on to Euro USD and see what is what. Let's move back to 4 hours. I've already spoiled a surprise for you there, but you already know, man, I hardly miss when it comes to these markets. Initially we were looking at the market to push to the upside this morning because it failed to close and break below this level here, and that is exactly what we got. The market is pushing to the upside. Let us just zoom in closer, move back to 1 hour so we can see how it played out. So I'm quite confident on this trade that it's gonna push to the upside and hit our take profit, because we've already violated this little structure that the market created here in the past. So the market has been pushing to the upside since then. For that reason, I'm gonna move my stop loss to take some of the profits off the market, so that even if the market decides to come back, I've already made money. It's such a nice feeling to get kicked out of a trade with some profits rather with a loss. So the market is at a critical level right now, of which it is expected for the market to react there. Is the market going to continue pushing all the way to the upside? Nobody knows, but nobody cares about that. The most important thing is that we've already made money from this trade. So let's move on to GBP USD. Let's move back to 4 hours to see what is what. Look at that. What a beautiful trade. You know what? Smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to get some gems like this. As you can see, the market did push to the upside, and we are currently trying to violate this level here. Nobody knows if we're going to smash through that, but let's move back to 1 hour and observe this baby right here. Look at how beautiful that is. Now this is pure market structure, guys. I'm not using any indicators here. I'm not looking at any news or any algorithms or anything like that. This is just pure market structure, just how the market moves, the rhythm, the behavior, the language of the market. And I do spend a lot of time with these markets here. So same thing here, guys. We're just gonna move our stop loss to profits, collect some of the profits of the market, man. I really like moving my stop loss, taking some profits of the market, so that whatever happens in the market, I'm still profitable. But that is the story with the GBP USD. Let us have a quick peek at the New Zealand dollar USD. We didn't get an entry here because our initial entry was supposed to be on this candle here, and it was too close to home. I missed this one here. I was supposed to get my entry around this level here, but then I missed this one here. But nonetheless, that's what's happening on the New Zealand dollar USD. We haven't taken the trade here. It looks like the market is really reacting quite strongly on this level here, of which is expected, to be honest with you. Look at how much noise is built around that zone there. That tells me that there's a lot of sellers sitting around that level there, hence the market is finding it really difficult to smash through all the way to our take profits. But I still stand to my morning's analysis. Once the market smash through this level here, God help the markets, man. We're gonna take this thing all the way to 62500 byte. Stay tuned to find out what happens with these markets here. It's Afonso with Afonso Analysis. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, but otherwise manage your risk properly.